Every day I make my video by standing, but today, by the grace of God, I got the chance to sit here. So now I'm sitting on the ground and recording my video. So this is not the important topic that I should discuss with you, and I think it is not going to help you to improve your English, right? So let's share with you some important fact so that you can improve your English. First thing, my friend, as you know that I'm from village area, right? So how did I improve my English? How did I master speaking English? Or how do I practice speaking English without having environment? You might be having this kinds of question in your mind, right? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a lot of important facts so that you can also improve your English, so that you can also speak this language fluently and effortlessly. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I improved my English. As I told you that I'm from village area. See my friend, my journey hasn't been so easy for me. When I started learning this language, I didn't even know proper grammar. I didn't know a lot of vocabulary. Even I had zero confidence, I would say, in me. I used to feel fear to utter even a single sentence in English, okay, in front of people. But how did I get this much of confidence? I would say that by practicing, as we know that. So practice is key to become a fluent speaker, or practice is key to achieve anything in our life. So let's apply this principle here in order to learn this language. So my friend, what I want to share with you now, it doesn't matter from where we are, right? If we are in any corner of this world, now we have enough access to learn any new skill, to learn anything, I would say. So same thing goes with this language also. If you want to learn this language, now you have mobile phone. Now you can order a book, right? You can read to improve your English. Now you can watch a lot of videos if your grammar is not okay. So let's once again come on the topic that was it easy for me to learn this language in my beginning day? No. I was also like you. If you are a beginner and you might be having a lot of challenges, not having proper vocabulary, not having knowledge of grammar, and confidence would be not there in you, right? So it will not remain the same, I would say. These all will be gone, but all of a sudden, no. Gradually, it will be gone. How? By practicing every single day. So when I started speaking this language, one thing I never ever broke, which is none other than consistency. My friend, I am consistent enough. I practice this language every single day since I started learning this language. So I want to ask this question, are you consistent enough? Do you practice every single day, or do you make excuses that I don't have time, I am a housewife, or I have a lot of work to do, that is why I can't even give my 5 minutes. My friend, I'm not saying to give 5 hours in a day. If you can give 5 minutes in a day and you are giving 5 minutes every single day, so in this way also you can at least maintain your consistency. Plus, if you have a lot of time, you can add on, right? But initially, you have to maintain your consistency. As a beginner, we can't speak a lot. So when I was beginner, I wasn't able to speak a lot, and my journey wasn't very easy for me, I would say. I have also started from the scratch, okay? So don't worry, my friend. You are also not going to remain the same. Your fluency is also not going to remain the same. You are also going to speak very fluently. See, I live in village area, but if I go in city area, even a lot of people, they have environment, but they don't have willingness. They don't have desire. That is why they have environment, but they can't speak this language. So what I am trying to say here, that if you have a strong desire, if you have willingness in your mind, or positive spirit in you to learn something, nothing can stop you. No matter where you belong, no matter what you do, even you can achieve whatever you want if you have willingness, right? So same thing goes with this language also. no matter we are from village area or from city area, but if we have desire, we can learn. One thing I have learned so far, that if we have desire or we are positive, so lot of door automatically is open. Because when I started learning this language, I wasn't able to understand book. I wasn't able to understand while listening also. Moreover, I didn't have anyone to speak with. My grammar was also not okay, right? So how did I got someone to speak with me? How did I start reading book? How did I start understanding listening also? It didn't happen over the night. I would say I gave a lot of time, and everyone is giving a lot of time. Then as a result, they are able to speak, right? So same thing happened with me also. First of all, I started listening. Before I started reading, I started listening. Then I found that how to introduce myself. Then I learned from there, okay? Second thing, I started working on my grammar, and my grammar was very weak, but it took a lot of time. But now I feel that okay, now it's okay. And thirdly, vocabulary was also very poor. I didn't have a lot of vocabulary so that I could speak. Other than that one, I didn't have confidence to utter even a single word in front of anyone. But now I can speak. It just happened because I maintain consistency. I am consistent enough. And a lot of door opened, I would say, when I decided. So I watched YouTube video, I found about one application, and then I started practicing. Other thing I want to share with you, when I was a beginner, I had one thought in my mind that I could become a fluent speaker just in 1 month. But my thought, or I would say my dream, got shattered when I already completed 1 month. I wasn't able to speak after 1 month also. Then after 3 months also, I wasn't able to speak very fluently. After 3 months, I would say that actually I was practicing, so my call connected to one stranger, and I asked that for how long have you been practicing? Then that person said to me, there I have been practicing for 2 years. When I listened this thing, I started getting a lot of fear that how could I talk to a person who has 2 year experience. And that day I just encountered truth, or I found the truth that this is a language and it is going to take a lot of time. Okay, I had that misconception in my mind that I could become a fluent speaker just in few months. But no, I was wrong when I connected with that person. So it got clear that it is going to take a lot of time. Before that, I was stressed. I was thinking why my English is not improving. But when I talked to that person, that time I came to know that this is the language and it is going to take a lot of time. Why? Because after spending 2 years, that person was also practicing, right? So in your case also, you might have given only 1 month, few days. So don't worry, don't get impatient. You are going to speak this language very fluently. Just have patience and be consistent and practice every single day. Okay, you might be not able to understand while listening, you might be not able to understand while reading, but these things are not going to remain the same. Day by day you are going to learn something new. And one another thing also I learned on the way, that all of a sudden we can't become a fluent speaker. It is a slow process. Okay, so I learned it gradually. So today you might be not knowing all the fact, but my friend, I assure you, if you start today, then a lot of things you are going to learn. If you start practicing with someone, you are going to get a lot of answer, right? That how many months does it take, how many years does it take, or how we can become a fluent speaker. So one thing I want to share with you, that never ever break consistency. If you break consistency, you are going to face the consequences. You are going to feel down. You are going to feel that your mind will go blank. Okay, but if we want to overcome up these kinds of problems, we need to just maintain consistency. We need to be consistent. So in my entire journey, as I told you, that I am consistent enough. That is why I got confidence, or I am confident enough. Okay, in your case also, if you feel you don't have confidence, then start speaking every single day. Don't give any drop in your practice. Without dropping your practice even for a single day, practice with consistency. Okay. And other thing, as I told you, that the more you practice, the better you become. Okay. So if you are giving only 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it's enough. As a beginner, it's enough. But you want to become a fluent speaker. So by practicing 5 minutes, by practicing 10 minutes, how the way you can become a fluent speaker? It's not possible, my friend. You need to give a lot of time. You need to engross yourself. You need to surround yourself more and more with this language. Then you will automatically start speaking this language. Our English will come from your mouth in flow. Okay. When we don't practice every single day, then our muscle also start resisting. Our tongue, our muscle start resisting. But if we practice with consistency every single day, then our muscles are also getting habitual of speaking this language, right? So many benefits are there. Like by maintaining consistency, there are so many benefits are there. So I would highly recommend you to be consistent. If you are consistent enough, a lot of problems are going to sort out without without paying attention also. Okay, just like your fear will be gone, your doubt also, your confidence related problem also will be gone, your muscle will not resist. So I hope you find my video little helpful. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.